Hi, what's up everybody? So I want to share a piece of my art with you. Usually the only time I have time to create some art, sit down and draw, is either on break and lunch at work, and after work before picking up my kid from school I go to the coffee shop. Peace and quiet, great way to get away, relax after a long day of working, and good time to just sit down and draw. So here's my art book I take with me every day. I get like an old fishing tackle bag that I use for my artwork. I'll show that on the video, what I use for a good little travel bag for art. But here's my book. These things are only like $6 at Walmart. Super cheap. I love the paper in them, spiral. That way don't take up no room. I can sit here and just open it up and just lay it on the side, be able to draw. Don't take up no room. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my newest one I did, and I'll go through here, get you guys thoughts. I'll show that one later, but one I'm making a video on is no other than Hellboy. So use like a little regular ink pen to it, and also the micro pen for the great little detail of the lines. But I love the movie Hellboy, especially the first couple that came out before they did like a little remake with the new actor and stuff. But the guy from Sons of Anarchy, to me, was a great Hellboy. The newer ones wasn't bad. I still like the movies and stuff like that, but the artwork, I absolutely love the artwork. So I had to put my own little piece in my own little sketchbook. So guys, I appreciate you watching. And I got the Carver Family YouTube channel. I got like 11,150 followers on it. And right now I'm at like 138 subscribers here on Boo Artwork. So I'm trying to grow the channel. So a simple little subscribe button, hit tap at the bottom, will go a long way. If you like my art, you want to keep track of it, please hit that subscribe button. If you like the art, please hit that like button. And I need ideas to put in my artwork. And please drop a comment on what I should draw next, what I should add into my art book. Like say, as an artist, sometimes artist block is a real thing. I don't know what to draw. I always get on Pinterest. I absolutely love Pinterest to use references to draw. Like say I did that one, and I need something else to draw. Man, look at all these mosquitoes. I'm sitting outside getting carried away with mosquitoes. But I want to go ahead and get off here so I get all these little blood suckers out of here so they don't bite me and fly me away. But I appreciate you guys clicking on the video. Appreciate you guys watching. And like I say, let me know what you think. Until next time, boo!